Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of The Younger Sister Just Want Me to Coax Her, chapter 25. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Moyang and Gusing. Two of them are still outside of the party venue of Moyang's birthday party. Well, need to change clothes. So, Gusing helped Menyan not to get this. Some of the men in the party. The table setup is already made. Seems that it was a big party. Especially it was Moyang's birthday party. Are you Mushao's pet? Oh, there's a man trying to confront her. Well, this is the vision of Gusing. That's why she really want to change with her. You're so ugly and still want to provoke. Miss Prika, you don't deserve. Well, it seems that on the party, someone is gonna tease her. But why don't you think? Open her mouth. Well, on that time, she really got vanished by those boys. Well, she really needs someone to help her. After receiving the vanishment, it's so uncomfortable, it's so dizzy, and it's so hot. Back then, she's vomiting and coughing. And yan, she looks really pitiful. Hair, this, when this is. Well, someone put the medicine on her drinks. Or the voice really wants her to drink the drinks. Fine, I finally escaped. Well, on that time, since she got vanished by the voice, so she really escaped from them. But on her mind, you said you escaped. Well, this is troublesome. Someone's may really catch her. Of course, she will get vanished by the voice again. But looking at it, miss, what the lady doesn't have, you don't deserve it either. Of course not. Fly up, butterfly. Well, Mengyan, she remembered the sad fuss of hers. At that time, her mind is getting crazy. Her wings are on fire. Won't you run away? Ah, she was screaming. Well, it seems that she was dreaming. You see, you have no clothes. Isn't this just you're seducing? Well, suddenly, she put her hand, smashed the table. Well, it seems that it was really painful. But all of the things happened. Turns out it was Gusing. Gusing dreams about her. Well, that's why right now she was really decided to change her clothes to her to avoid confusion. Also the punishments by the voice. No matter what much I hate Xiao Baiwa, don't want to see her experience such things. Well, she clearly remembers herself that Mengyan will get vanished by the voice. That's why right now she's being persistent. Like that time, I wish I could have someone to help me. She write the plot, that's why she know a little bit of what will happen in the future. That's why Gusing right now, she want to change with her. Mengyan, sister, what is just me just now? Well, it seems that Mengyan, she knows that she's dreaming about her. Well, if I don't look at it, it's good. So don't worry. Mengyan said to her. Of course, she don't want to see anyone. But Gusing, wearing that feeling clothes, of course, she don't want others to see her. Don't wear it. Don't wear it anymore. Mingyan, she was acting like a child and she don't want Gusing to really wear that dress. I don't want my sister to wear this dress for others to see. Absolutely not. No, Mengyan is trying to convince Gusing, but of course Gusing, she will never listen to her, especially she know what will happen on the flat. Why it is so tight? All I can put is it in all. I'm here to help my sister, because my sister's back is too weak. Well, Gusing, hearing this, are you looking for your death? Would you like my chest to help? Oh, this kid. She was really troublesome. Given the situation, she really know how to talk too much, especially in the situation. But grown bigger in the past 2 days. Gusing said to her, you're silly. Of course, Mengyan, she want to provoke her. But right now, didn't my sister take it off? I thought my sister want to see it. Right now, she handed over clothes that so she can wear it. When you catch a cold, go home. Right now, she's trying to convince Meng Yan to dry herself, also wear decent clothes, so the two of them can go to the party, especially right now, since she was a good kid. Really do ever Gu Xing told her. Meng Yan, she was really a good child, right? Even though she was really tricky, she was really concerned about Gu Xing. Right now, she wants to tease her again. Finally, my lipstick will give you a little bit. She is really too much. I really want to possess her. Mengyan said to her, it's like I'm married to my sister. Oh, this is a little bit crazy. Of course, she is unstoppable right now. Since she talked too much, she know Gu Xing that she really teasing her. Right now, Gu Xing, she fought her legs, and its indication it was really painful for her. Whose home is that? Are you here to trick the men? It's a quite tasteful to hook up. Seems to be Master Mu Yang's classmate. Talking about something. Shouldn't it be that the one who wants to marry into a wealthy family? Hey hey, Miss Franca is here tonight. His classmates continue to talking about her. Of course, they are favor to the wealthy ones, especially Yang is a wealthy person. Yang said this skirt is too revealing. I will help my sister to find a blanket. Now she was really concerned about Kusi. She looks really serious. Only in a bad people's heart can see it rush. Seems that the clothes, but mostly, as long as I am willing to dare not to go revealing. But who dares to lift my clothes will meet punishment by me. My sister really seems to shine all the time. Mingyan said to her. She looks really serious. I said to her, I don't mind raising my foot and stepping on it at all. Now she was really convinced she wanted to save Mingyan tonight. Suddenly, these boys arrived. Well, this is the first. Well, Gu Xing, you must be really protecting Mengyan at all costs to these boys. Are you that person, that Muyao's pet? You're so ugly and still want to provoke with Miss Frika. Shu Shine. Well, these boys know how to provoke people right now. Gu Xing, she was really angry. She got a wine glass, put it on the person's face. It was really a loud bang. It seems like Gu Xing, she was really mad now. She's been respectful. She don't care about the girls. What's that noise? I hate barking dogs. The wine glass is really broken. And Gu Xing, she is reminding them. Of course, she's getting mad. Well, it's getting better. I hope you really support the next chapter. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!